welcome back to today's video wherein I have a discovery. I have a discovery to discuss, and if this product really does what it says it will, oh my god, you are going to be thankful for me forever, because I have found this beautiful gem from Indian Amazon. Now, when it comes to Amazon overseas, it has a lot of stuff, but when it comes to Indian Amazon, it just has the similar images but not the stuff. If you know, you know. So when I found this product right here, which is, by the way, Bolt Be Professional Removes Soak Off Gel Polish. This is how it looks like. So if you are anything like me who is a nail enthusiast, and by that I mean you love doing gel polishes, gel extensions, acrylic extensions, or just have fun in life with your nails, and at the same time you detest the whole removal process, because trust me, nobody told me how expensive the removal is, as well as how time consuming and painful it is. I have done it professionally just once to realize I do not like this. I do not like that I am paying money to get hurt. You know, just not my thing. So when I found this beauty on Amazon India, I had to instantly grab this. So yes, let's check it out and see if this is actually worth the hype. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, you guys, let's rock and roll. This is what we are dealing with. This is my growth after, I want to say, 3 weeks, which was a really good time. And now let's get it rolling. I'm going to need a pair of nail cutters and a cuticle pusher. You can easily get this in any of your manicure or pedicure kits. And I'm going to start off by cutting all of my extensions, because that would really make the process easier moving forward. And damn, that growth is crazy. And yeah, all I did is just shake it up a little bit and apply the product everywhere. And as you can see, it has started to crumble, and that was like literally in like 5 to maybe like 10 seconds. Now, as you see, my first attempt, I think it wasn't the best because it did not come in one go. However, the next one, oh my god, that satisfaction of getting it off in one go, so beautiful. And also, this was not painful at all. If anything, it was rewarding and I was really enjoying this. But yeah, I will say that next time I will apply a little more product and wait maybe a little bit longer, maybe like a minute. This time I was like 30 seconds into it and I just kept going because I saw that it was falling apart and I just got desperate to get it off. So as you see, oh my god, this is like a close up, and the nail, especially on the thumb, was a little difficult to get off. But as you can see, this is just me going for round 2 on nails that did not come off very easily. And the next time I did the whole pushing part, it came off easy. Like, wow, like, oh my god, who am I? This literally took me like 7 to 10 minutes. I'm not even exaggerating. Now, however, I did go ahead with an acetone just to get rid of any leftovers whatsoever, and then I went ahead with the nail filing just to get rid of any excess product on my nail and just to make it look even. This, oh my god, game changing. My nail looked like I came out of salon. And of course, to top it all off, I'm using my cuticle oil just to make my nail bed look and feel healthy. And that's it, you guys. That is how easy it was. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We did not see that coming. This actually works. This is going to save me so much money on removals. At the same time, it is so easy to remove. At the same time, why aren't people using this more often? Because trust me, I am obsessed with this and I cannot imagine my life without this product. It's literally that kind of for me, and I'm so glad it's not like a gimmicky product but a product that actually works. And yeah, with that being said, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको ऐसे ही fun, interesting, quirky videos देखने हैं तो this is your moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. I have been uploading videos not once or twice but actually 3 times in a week. With that being said, I would love to know what kind of content you would like to see from me next. And yes, that's a wrap for me. I will see you very soon. Bye.